G'day folks, it's Laura here, and today I'm going to do a flip cup pour, and this time I've got a whole set of new colours from Jo Sonja to try out. So I've got 3 of these limited edition paints. So these include Soft Clouds, Fresh Mint and Night Sky. And then I've got 2 from another new range, or 2 new ranges. So this one is a premium pearlescent. It's a pearlescent blue. And this one's called Premium Metallic, and it's a steel blue. Now, in addition to those, I'm going to be using fawn as well as titanium white. I'm going to use less of these 2 darker colours because I don't want them to overtake the painting. Now I'm going to use my standard pouring medium for this. I'll link to a video on how to make this if you're interested. I'm also going to add some of this wall paint. It's a neutral base and the thickest component of my pouring medium. I'm going to add a little bit of this to each of these dark colours to try and make them a little bit thicker so they hold together better during the pour. So it's time to layer my cup now, and for this I'm going to be using my standard cell activator. I'll link to a video on how to make this if you're interested. Now this is the white cell activator, and I might also use some of this black cell activator made with lamp black instead. So I'm going to start just by layering the cup, the bottom and the sides, with a generous layer of cell activator. Now I've already prepared my canvas. This is the back of the canvas. I've added painter's tape as well as giant push pins. So it's time to flip the cup now. And I'll just get the rest of the paint out of the cup and spread it around the edges and the corners. Wowie, this is currently very beautiful. I'm really pleased with all of these beautiful patterns up here, as well as all the lacing down here. And I'm loving this little section of cells up here. So really pleased with this so far. I think a lot of I've got a lot of paint on this canvas, so I don't need to do a huge amount in terms of stretching, but I do need to bring a bit more paint down in this right-hand direction. So I will just pull it down by lifting the other end, and then we might spin it out. Okay, gentle spin. So I'm almost off this top right corner. I am off the top left, and it's mainly the two bottom now to sort out. So just another gentle spin. Okay, I think I'm off all of the corners now, and my goodness, this is beautiful and I'm loving it so far. I am loving all of this beautiful lacing through here and the very subtle effects I'm getting at the top, and I think a lot of that iridescence will come through from the two iridescent colours that I included. So I'm just going to pop the bubbles now. Now I will cover the corners, make sure they're fully covered. And just pull the paint off from underneath the canvas. Beautiful, really happy with this one. I think I'm going to get some beautiful iridescence coming through, and I've got some lovely lacing and some interesting patterns and color combinations down here. I particularly like the brown against the blue effect. So yeah, really happy with how this has turned out.